The Andrea Doria was an Italian ocean liner that sank on July 26, 1956, after colliding with the MS Stockholm off the coast of Nantucket, Massachusetts. It is often referred to as the Mount Everest of scuba diving because of the challenging dive conditions. The ship was known for its luxurious amenities and was considered one of the most beautiful liners ever built. Despite the severe damage, the Andrea Doria stayed afloat for over 11 hours, allowing nearly all of its passengers and crew to be rescued. The collision resulted in the deaths of 51 people, yet the majority survived thanks to the efficient evacuation process. The wreck lies at a depth of approximately 240 feet, making it accessible only to advanced technical divers. Over the years, the wreck has claimed the lives of several divers due to its depth and strong currents. Artifacts recovered from the ship include china, silverware, and even a safe containing cash and jewelry. The Andrea Doria remains one of the most famous shipwrecks in history, both for its tragic end and for the many exploratory dives that have been made to its remains.